Okay, so I hope you all have good meals, and I do something completely different. It will not be that technical as the one from Peter. It's more historical and more with photographs. So my presentation is a decade in the life of QL, and because we have 40th anniversary, 4 decades, I just gave the last Good. And let's start.
Make your mind. And then let's see what the modification is. 5 volt.